everybody, welcome back to Python course. As we had an introduction to Python in our previous video, so you can find it in our channel BitFocus in the playlist. Please try not to forget to subscribe to our channel to get benefited from our next videos. So today we are coming to an installation of Python, but I should say more about features of Python. As we told in our previous video, Python is a programming language that was created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. So they are said in the previous video you can find, but I should add more about features of Python. Python is a cross-platform programming language. It means it can be installed on Windows, Mac, Raspberry Pi, or Linux. And Python is an object-oriented programming language like Java or C#. Everything in Python is considered as class or object. Object is an instance of class. And one more thing which makes Python different from other programming language is indentation. Indentation is used instead of curly brackets in Python. So you see that in C#, C++, Java, or any other programming languages, we use curly brackets to define a scope of code or to define a block of codes. But in Python, try to remember an indentation is used. So now we come to an installation of Python, how to install Python to use it. But first of all, go to PowerShell in Windows or Terminal in Mac or Linux. Type Python --version. What is it? This line shows that if Python is already installed on your machine. As you see, Python 3.7.3, so it means that Python is already installed on my machine, so I do not need to install it again. And try to remember that we are using Python 3. Python 3 is the latest version of Python. So if you type it and you do not see this, it means it is not recognized, so Python is not installed on your machine. So how to install it? Now open your browser and type python.org. Python.org is the website where you can download Python. And when you type it, you are navigated here, so please come to Downloads tab. And when you hover here, you see Python 3.8.2. It is the latest version of Python. First download it, and when it is downloaded in your machine, you can open it and install. By clicking next, it is installed very easily. And also scroll down. Here you can see download, and it is also the .exe file of Python to be installed. So you can download from here or from downloads. But you see Python 3.7.7, they are also the other versions of Python, and it is the documentation. You can get help from here more about Python. So it is the exe file. After downloading, you can open it. So when you open the exe file, you see there are two options: install now or customize installation. The second one is for this, if you want to customize during installing Python. So it is optional, but the first one, click the first one, and next it is installed. But because I have already installed it, I do not need to install it again. So after you have installed Python, please come here and type Python. You see Python manuals, Python 3.7, Python 3.7. They are all installed on your machine, but the first one, IDLE or IDLE, it is very important. So when you open it, So as you see, it is opening. It is an interactive environment of Python. After you install Python, you can use it. It is like PowerShell or terminal. You can write Python. You can write Python here. For example, 2 plus 3 equals 5, or 10 minus 5 is 5. Even you can write a message here, hello Python. So you see these messages displayed here, or more. For example, print learn Python. So you see the message here. It is an interactive environment, or it is a shell scripting. You can write Python codes here, but there are more other options you can use. But one thing I should explain is very important. You see Python docs, and after you can open the docs of Python. It is the documentation of Python. You can use it. It tells you more about Python, about many things in Python, so it is very helpful. I recommend you to use it because it is a documentation that explains Python for you. So it was an installation of Python. I hope you learn how to install Python. So thank you for your nice attention, but please try to subscribe to our channel BitFocus to get benefited from our next videos. Thank you.